Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can create shortcuts for right clicking context menu. Just you can see here that when you right click on the mouse you can see your various options. So today I will show how you can add more options very easily using one very cool softwares. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and go to this website. I will be providing the download link even in video description, so you can click there too and log into this website. So once you open this website, you can see its web page. So here you can see try it free. So download it by clicking this try it free and install it. So after installing, what you need to do is open or run the software. As you can see the user interface of this software. So first let me give you a little idea. So you can see here right click tweaker, right click editor, you can edit, file types editor, you can edit the files, right click shortcut creators, send to managers, right click editor in Internet Explorer, new menu editor, smart renamer, even you can rename, and smart SFV. So not to go much details about this, so I will show you a very easy one. So yes, you can see right click tweaker, just click on it and here you can see various options. So you can see here various options. So first let me show you. Suppose when you right click it, here you can see a control panel options. So yes, I will be selecting the control panel and will right click again, so you can see a control panel options. So I will turn it off, so you can see there is no control panel. So similarly I will show you one thing. So when I right click it, so let me show you, here is no option of copy to. So here's just retain copy, but I will include one more options like this one, copy to. So when I right click this file, so you can see here copy to folder, and when I turn it off again, so no more there. So in this way you can add lots of useful stuffs. Not only this that is being showing here, so you can edit even by clicking the right click editor. Even you can create shortcuts for different apps and folders by clicking these options. So it is very useful in my opinion. Suppose when you want to access like suppose you not getting the control panel or searching this and that, or you're not getting like copy to which folder or move to which hard disk drive. So by just right clicking you get various options. Then it is much useful. Sometimes what happens, you are very in a rush to complete your task. So in my opinion this software will be very useful on that purpose. So in my opinion you try it out by yourself, and if you face any difficulty using this software, so leave your comments below in the video description. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. And if you like this video, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.